One of the most valuable things you can get from your customers is feedback. And one of the easiest ways to add a feedback experience to your store is to manage something called product ratings or service ratings. And this is something that can range anywhere from actually allowing someone to send you an email with feedback or simply adding a star rating system to the products that you sell in your store. You've all seen that on stores like Amazon.com and things like that. People give it X amount of stars out of 5, and that determines a lot of times who comes back to the store, who buys what, and what products they buy. And so in order to do that inside of Magento Go, you just go to the catalog section and go down to reviews and ratings and select manage ratings. When you first get into this, you'll notice that there are 3 available to you by default: price, quality, and value. If you like these, you can certainly keep them in there. If you do not like these, you can simply remove them. So like if I didn't like the value rating, I could come in here and I could just delete the rating and hit OK. That removes it. I could also remove, let's say, quality, remove that, and we'll leave the price. Let's add a new rating to this as well. And so the default value for this, we're just going to call it customer service. And the rating visibility, we're going to give it the default store view. Once we do that, we can choose save rating. Once we have saved that rating, you will see that customer service is then added there. And so that way, when people are interacting with a product, whether they've purchased it or they come back afterwards and they're signed into their account, they will actually be able to rate from 1 to 5 stars the customer service and the price of this item. You can choose as many different rating types as you want. You can change how they're displayed in your store in any way you want. That's totally up to you. But again, managing the rating system is going to be an essential part in getting feedback from your customers and learning exactly what they do and do not like about your store experience. So my suggestion is to come up with a few different pillars of information that you'd like to get from people and then put those in there as ratings that are available on all of the product pages, whether it be price, shipping times, customer service, whatever it might be. That gives you information on how you're doing and also gives prospective customers information on how your store interacts with its public and also how you respond to those issues as well.